Porkbun Domain Registrar Review, Web Hosting, Domains, Website Building, and so much more. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the platform of Porkbun, which is a domain registrar and has several different products and services that you can use. And rather than going on to a major registrar like GoDaddy for your domain needs or your hosting needs, you can use a platform like Porkbun, and it is a lot more affordable, it has ease of access, and there are several different reasons why you should actually be using a platform like Porkbun over large platforms like GoDaddy or Namecheap, because those are going to end up being more expensive and provide you with less customizable plans and less of a forwarded or less of a customized customer service experience. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that we will take a look at is going to be obviously the domains. So if you head on over to porkbun.com, you can simply click on the product over here and you can actually start searching for domains. You also have a sales section where you can actually take a look at certain domains which are on sale. Now, you also have a bulk search option where you can create a domain list and you can enter one domain per line in the box, and you can have, search for over 100 domains at a time. You also have the TLD section available. So let's say I have a brand and my brand is called Durden. So I'm just going to search for Durden over here and it will give me multiple different options. Now, you also have an amazing feature that you're not going to find anywhere else, which is using AI. So you can actually search for something. It will give you this option called try generating domain name suggestions using AI. And if you click on that, it will actually give you a AI generated search. So if I enter, my own brand name, I can search for multiple different domain names that might link to my brand name in a meaningful manner that are not exactly, the exact keywords, but are very close and can be reached and bought at a affordable price. So you guys can see durdenfashion.com. It's a .com domain that I'm getting only at $7.98 per year. This is such a good deal. And the best part is that the renewal after the first year is only $9.73, which at comparable value is probably half than the price that you would usually get on a platform like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other third-party domain registrar. And all you have to do to purchase it is to click on the add icon over here. Then you can click on your checkout over here, and this is our domain name. You can see you can choose how long you want to register your domain for. So if you want it for 1 year, if you want it for 2 years, 3 years, depending on the price that you want it. Plus it comes with free SSL certificates, URL forwarding, email forwarding, quick connect, email hosting trial, web hosting trials, and site building trials as well. And that is why I definitely recommend Porkbun as an amazing service for you to start building your website and start using it to fulfill your domain and hosting needs. So make sure to check the link in the description box down below to get started with Porkbun. Now, once you have your, renewal chosen, how often you want to renew it, and all of the things settled down, all the free stuff, you can also search for domains once more. You can buy multiple domains at once. Plus you can add email addresses for only $24 per year, depending on the name of your website or domain that you're purchasing. You can also add web hosting for as low as $2.50 a month. So if you click on this, they will show you the deals available currently. You get a 15-day free trial with Easy WordPress, Easy PHP, and static hosting, and link in bio as well. I'll be covering this later on. Now, once you have this done, you can click on continue and you can just create your account on Porkbun. It's very simple. It's a simple sign up process with your email address, your first name, address, and some basic information. Now, moving on to the second most important product of Porkbun, that is their web hosting. Now, you can see they have multiple different web hosting options. So you have Easy WordPress. If you're looking for something simple and easy for a WordPress website, this is definitely the one for you. It is usually the cheapest option available, and you will be able to easily create your WordPress website in a very reliable and affordable price. You have a guaranteed uptime as well, and it is very affordable to maintain. Now, if you want something a little more different, you get PHP hosting, where you can create a high performing custom PHP site, and you can easily select between files of SFTP, and you can store your data on MySQL database and have SSH access also after passing a basic security screening. This starts only at $5 a month. Then you have static hosting, which is pretty much the same as WordPress hosting because it's static content. So CSS, HTML, if you have like a simple website that you want to create. Usually I recommend this for blogs and for basic blogs, basic recipe blogs, food blogs. I love using static hosting for those kinds of websites. It only starts at $2.50 as well. Then you have link in bios, where if you want to provide a bunch of different links for your social media bio, you can create one general link and then link all the different sublinks within that specific website so people can access all of your different domains. So let's say I'm an influencer and I post on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, and I want to add all of these links in one link in my Instagram bio. So I can use a link in bio one, and it's simple and very effective in terms of marketing and driving up the clicks that you get on your different panels. Now, moving on to their next hosting plan, they have the site builder. So the site builder is amazing. This is because it is actually partnered with a Weebly. So Weebly is actually a website building service, and they actually end up being cheaper if you use Weebly via Porkbun. So they partnered up with Weebly and provided a site builder for you to build your website directly on their platform instead of having to go through a third-party application. You can directly build, a simple website with their drag and drop editors, starting for as low as $3 per month. I definitely recommend the pro version on this. It's $12 a month, but you also get header slideshows, HD video and audio plays, site search, up to 100 memberships, and you also get all of the basic features that come on their starter and basic versions, like customizable footers, SSL security, unlimited pages, and you also get multiple different e-commerce options. So you have up to 25 products that you can add on the pro version. It's definitely a steal in terms of website building. You're not going to find a effective and simple website builder for such a low price. Now, moving on to the next product of Porkbun, that is email hosting. So email hosting is amazing for any website that is launching. You definitely want to get the word out there. Email hosting has a single plan on Porkbun. It is $24 per year. It's free for the 3 months of your domain registration. So if you register a domain with Porkbun, you're going to get 3 months of free email hosting. You get 100 gigabytes of storage. You also get secure IMAP and POP. You can send and receive mail. You have email forwarding, and you also have webmail as well. All of your ticketing, your basic ticketing when you start off with your website, can be managed directly on their email hosting. So it's definitely a great place to get started. So these are all the reasons that Porkbun is a recommended platform for you guys, because I have used it. I have found it to be a lot cheaper than buying off of any other platform. And the best part is you can take a look at their sales, and you can even refurbish domains or, do some domain flipping from their platform as well. It's a great way, it's a great side hustle as well to make some passive income with this amazing platform. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to check the link in the description to get started with Porkbun, and leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.